everyone. This is what we woke up to this morning. It's been raining all night and now the sun's back. The sea is completely calm and the clouds are so spectacular. They really look like paintings, some cotton in the sky. But the bad thing in this is that the water is full of algae. It looks really dirty and it has this yellow slime on it. You can see that. It looks kind of pretty, but it's not really nice to go in there. So we prefer to look at the sky today. So here we can see about 20 birds chasing fish. They're working together. So they're pushing the fish in one corner and then they dive and have a fat dinner or breakfast, because it's morning now. So they see that it's much more efficient in a group than alone. So now they have seen some fish. Half of them are diving. So my dad told me that these birds only get something like 10 babies a season, but they steal the babies of others of the same brand to make a bigger family. So easy is that.
No chance for the fish.
Yeah, there's no chance for the fish. And they're completely synchronized. They give each other little signs with their voices. It's probably in bird language, it's like, hey, come here.
It's so fast.
They're really fast. It's crazy. So now they had enough food and now they're enjoying the morning moment, the whole family together. And here we go again. So here we go, huh?
Good morning. It's time to do some electrician work and install or build the new lamps. So let's see how this will turn out and if we are still alive later.
So here we have this.
No, that's only one part of it.
And we have this. And we have this. And we have this. So from all this we are going to make a lamp.
Maybe.
Yippee, yippee, yay!